Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Update Instagram and your phone OS so permissions work properly. Once done, open device settings and enable system notifications for Instagram. This lets the app surface alerts. Next, sign into the exact Instagram account that should receive notifications and confirm the account's email or phone is verified so delivery isn't blocked. These steps clear common permission and account mismatches that prevent notifications from appearing. Now go into Instagram settings, then notifications, and inspect every push and in-app toggle. Enable likes, comments, messages, and live video as needed. If settings look correct but alerts fail, clear the app cache or reinstall Instagram to reset corrupted local data. Make sure your phone isn't blocking background activity. Disable battery saver for Instagram, allow background data, and turn off focus or do not disturb for this app. These actions restore the app's ability to generate and deliver real. Finish by performing a live test. Ask a friend to like a post or send a message and watch for the notification immediately. If nothing arrives, log out of Instagram, reboot your device to clear system locks, then log back in. If problems persist, inspect account-specific push overrides and any trusted contact or linked app settings that might suppress alerts. If you still can't fix it, try a different device briefly to isolate whether the issue is account-related or device-related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.